Hi, today we're gonna make a curry drumstick. That's a drumstick we're gonna use. I use 8 pieces, the drumstick like that. So they cut it like that, cut it like that. Like that, open it. Open it in the middle so you can see the bone in here. You see the bone in here. So see there's a bone in here, and you cut them, kind of split them open a little bit so they can cook easier. See? So even the tip here, you open it up. See, open it up so you can see the bone. See, and the other piece like this, same thing. Like that. So you see the bone in here. And the both sides, the tip here and the front here, they open it up so you can see the bed. See, you can see the like that. And also the end here, you open it up, you can see the all the way to the end of them. So see, open it up like that. You can see that. Okay, then we're going to marinate them a little bit. What you have to do is just put some salt in it. And some white pepper. Oh, you get some cooking wine in it. Cherry cooking wine. Like that. Then after that, we're going to put some starch in it, cornstarch in it. I like to put some sugar in it because the sugar will make them and kind of sticky too, make them kind of sauce in the outside, And after that, pretty much that's it. Then put some oil in it. Okay. Okay, let me wash my hand and cook it. Okay, I think it's hot right now, so let's just put some oil in it. We just want to brown them up on both sides. So later we're gonna put some water in it and kind of cook it with the vegetables until it's well done. They're browning up pretty good. So I think we're going to turn to the other side. They're pretty brown already. See, they're browning up pretty good. Okay, ready? Cook down, ready. So I think they are browning up pretty good, so we'll start putting the vegetable in. They're still browning pretty good. Alright, then first we put the ginger in there, and the onion, and doesn't need anything. I use a purple onion, but you can use a regular white onion. Kind of browning this onion a little bit. Okay, after that we're gonna put some 2 cups of cut up potatoes in it. And just 1 big carrot. And after that we're gonna put some little soy sauce in it. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of curry powder in it. Cooking wine, 30 cooking wine. And some water. Enough to, you can see them on the top, you know. You can see the water on the top, a little bit on the top. So probably you need a little bit more. Probably around 1 cup of water. So you can see them all over the top. And some chop up celery. After that, we're going to put the cover on. Probably let it cook maybe a few minutes. Okay, it's over 10 minutes right now, so it should be done. So you go mix them around a little bit. And also you can check the potatoes, see they can, or the carrot, see they cook, you know. See, you just pick it up and you just put it in there and they pretty much cook. You can see them, you go in, you know. So, yeah, I think it's cooked. 1 tablespoon of sugar in it, okay? Alright. And also we're going to cook it down a little bit because the little sauce is still a little runny. So we're going to cook it down, so we're going to let it dry out a little bit. And also we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. Alright. I think it's drying up pretty good because the potato, they can when they get cooked, and they will produce some of the sauce, picking the sauce up too. So you can see the sauce is picking up pretty good. So that's about right. So you can see the sauce is pretty thick. And you put the onion in it, green onion. You can see the sauce picking up pretty good. You cook a little bit and you dry up pretty good. So you just cook it for other minutes. So it should be okay. Okay. So turn off the heat. So we're gonna put them on the bowl. Okay, this is chicken drumstick with curry sauce.